Hi everybody, it's Any aka The Nock Trader and I'm back again with another video. Sorry for the big hiatus. I took a little bit of a rest, not voluntarily but because the market was capitulating and things were going crazy in the market, to be honest, and I just didn't like the conditions. So I was very wary of the trades I was making and I didn't want to post them because I wasn't sure about a lot of them, and to be honest, a lot of them didn't really go well from around November to December time. But now I think things have started settling down again in the market, so I just want to come back with more videos. I want to try and be more consistent going forward with the videos I make. But anyway, it's 2019, more money, more problems, hopefully. Less problems, more like. What am I talking about? I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. It's 2019 and this is my first trade of 2019. And it's going to be Hertz, the car company. Now I'm going to go through this trade and this is going to be my pick of the week. It's January 12th, it's on a Saturday. I made this trade already 2 days ago, but I'm just going to go through the process as to why I picked this trade, and just going forward we'll just carry on making more videos. So, Hertz, as you can see on the daily chart, it's showing a descending channel pattern. These two blue lines that I plotted, it's descending, but from about mid 2018 it's been following a pretty consistent pattern. Yeah, so as it started double bottoming, so when it hit $13.30 before, and once it hit it again, it double bottomed. Now once it double bottomed on the 3rd of January, I was hoping that it would go up and then consolidate above the 15-day simple moving average, which is the purple line, and then carry on going up. So what I wanted to see was up, down a little bit, then up. And once I saw that, I'll be pretty confident that it will carry on going up. So if you go into the 4-hour chart, as you can see, it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Double bottomed at $13.30, came up to about $15.20, came back down to $14.50, then carried on going up. So once it did that, I entered at about $15.40, and it's been continuously going up for the last 2 days. Obviously, there's going to be some drawbacks as it carries on going up because nothing moves up consistently without making some retracements. But for the most part, I think it's going to carry on going up. Now, I set my limit at just under $19. Let me make it $19 just to make it a round number. So yeah, so I've set it to $19. Okay. Now, on the daily chart, if we go back to the daily chart, I've plotted this dotted line at $16.70. Now this is a pivotal point on this chart. As you can see here, when it hit $16.70, it shot up within 1 day. Did the same again on the 8th of November, shot up. So I'm hoping that once it hits $16.70 again, it's going to shoot up and reach about $90. Once it reaches $90, I'm going to exit for my profit and just not be greedy because we don't know when if it's going to start coming down again. As you can see, when it made that shoot up in the first time, it retraced back quite a lot. It gave back a lot of the profits and did it again the second time. So whatever it makes on the first day when it shoots up, I'm just going to exit at that price and hopefully make a decent amount of profit. But as you can see, the risk to reward ratio is pretty good. I'm putting at risk £160 to make £529. I'm going to enter these numbers right now into my stock watch list breakdown that I normally use, and we can see kind of how good this trade is, or how potentially good this trade is. So I'm going to just expand this a little bit. I remember I made this watch list available for other people to see, so I'll put a link in the bio so that you can view as a read-only file the watch list, so you can see what stocks I'm trading and what reasons I've traded based on these criteria that I've set. So I made the trade on the 10th of January. The ticker symbol is HTZ. The company's called Hertz, the car company, as you know. And it's a buy, so I'm buying, not shorting, so it's going to go up. And most of my analysis has been on the daily and the 4-hour chart, but I just put 4-hour for convenience. The reason is because it's a horizontal pattern. Yeah, I can say it's a descending horizontal pattern. Let's say descending horizontal pattern that has double bottomed at the support and consolidated above the 4-hour exponential moving average of 15. So sorry, there's a lot of jargon in here, but what I'm trying to say here is basically what I told you in the video. It double bottomed at the support, which shows, and then it rose up and consolidated above the 15-day exponential moving average, which is the purple line as I've shown you. So the stop loss I've set a stop loss of 1439. I've set an entry of 1547. As you can see here, the entry is 1547, stop loss is 1439, and the limit is 1900. Nice round number. My confidence is about, I like to say my confidence is about 85 on this, because I think this trade is gonna go as I suspect. And the risk to reward is 3.27, so that's pretty good. That's a really good risk to reward. Anything above about 1.52 is worthwhile in my mind. So that means I've risked every £1 I risk, I could potentially make £3.27 back. So that's threefold in a matter of a couple of days, hopefully. So the next step is to wait for price to reach 1670, then once it has spiked up to take profits. What I'll also do is that once it hits 1670, I'm going to raise the stop loss so that it's in a positive region. So what I'll do is that once it is about 1670, I'll raise the stop loss to maybe just above the opening price, so that we're in positive territory regardless of what happens. So if it decides to come back down for some reason and it doesn't go all the way up to the limit that I want it to, I'll still make some sort of profit. So that way you're mitigating making any loss in that trade. So yeah, that's my first trade breakdown of 2019. It's NEAK, the Nut Trader, signing out.